Can you say, "How are you?" with real confidence? In 6 minutes, you'll master 3 essential conversations by speaking out loud with me. Let's go. I'm Alex from English with Alex and Mia. This is shadowing practice. Listen, repeat, copy my rhythm. No mistakes here, only learning. Ready? When you greet someone, sound warm and friendly like you're happy to see them. I'll say it first. Hello, how are you? Now you say it, big smile, confident voice. Hello, how are you? Nice. Now a morning greeting. Good morning. It's nice to see you. Your turn, warm and clear. Good morning. It's nice to see you. You're getting it. Now someone asks you, how are you? Perfect answer. I'm good, thank you. How about you? Say it with me. I'm good, thank you. How about you? Excellent. Quick alternative. Shorter version. I'm doing well. Your turn. I'm doing well. Perfect. Let's combine it. Someone says, hi, how's everything? You answer, everything is fine. Thanks for asking. Say the answer. Everything is fine. Thanks for asking. Great rhythm. Quick tip. Native speakers say, how are you? Without expecting a real answer. It's just polite small talk, not a therapy session. Now you know the secret. When someone helps you, show real appreciation. Say this with warmth. Thank you so much. Your turn like you really mean it. Thank you so much. Beautiful. Stronger expression. Now a professional phrase. I really appreciate your help. Slow and clear. I really appreciate your help. Excellent. How to respond. What if someone thanks you? Simple. You're welcome. Repeat. You're welcome. Good. Casual response. Friendly version. No problem. Happy to help. Your turn. No problem. Happy to help. That's natural. Dialogue practice. Someone says, thank you for your time. You respond, you're welcome, anytime. Say the response, you're welcome, anytime. Smooth. When you apologize, sound gentle and sincere, not defensive. Listen, I'm sorry. It was my mistake. Your turn, gently. I'm sorry. It was my mistake. Good tone. Formal apology. Professional version. I apologize for the inconvenience. Slow and respectful. I apologize for the inconvenience. Well done. How to accept an apology. If someone apologizes to you, be kind. That's okay. Don't worry about it. Your turn. That's okay. Don't worry about it. Nice. Dialogue practice. Someone says, I'm sorry I'm late. You respond, It's all right. Please take your seat. Say it. It's all right. Please take your seat. Perfect. Let's say all three one final time with me. Greeting. Hello, how are you? Thanks. Thank you so much. Apology. I'm sorry. It was my mistake. You're ready for real conversations. If you spoke out loud today, prove it. Comment, I completed video 1. Tomorrow, requests, offers, and permissions. Subscribe so you don't miss it. This is Alex. Keep speaking, keep growing. See you tomorrow.